do-it-yourself Del here. But this time what we've got is some jalapeno agave tortilla style chips. It says a little heat and a little sweet. They're not kidding about the heat part of it. So we've also got Guy Fieri original salsa. So apparently we're going to mix these two things and check it out. And I've also got something here left over to wash it down with just in case. So here's what they look like. And I don't think it needs the salsa because it's plenty hot already, but we'll just go in here and we'll get a little bit of this on there.
The salsa isn't to make it more hot, it's more to add a different flavor.
Okay, to add a little dimension to it. And you see I'm not putting a lot of salsa on here, so you regular salsa people might think I'm being a little cringy, but I'm just putting a little on. It's definitely tasty, definitely. And this taste is going to kind of creep up on you. I can feel it coming on now, a little bit. And then it's going to be a little bit more and a little bit more. And can't seem to, stop it once it gathers up a head of steam. But I'll get one of these out here that I can get a little more salsa on it this time. Maybe this way. Okay. So I'm being a little braver this time. And so definitely for somebody that's aficionado of more of a dimensional taste, something that gets to the core of things, separate the wheat from the chaff, if you know what I mean. This is not a mild kind of outfit here. So I'm going to do a little bit more this time. But it's definitely tasty. Definitely. So again, the Guy Fieri original salsa. Guy Fieri. Yeah, not Fieri, Guy Fieri. Original salsa, and then the jalapeno, the agave, jalapeno agave by Mi Niña. There's a picture on the package there. So this might be a tasty snack while you're watching the game or just sitting there and relaxing. But it's definitely got that extra dimension to it. This is really something. It's not burning me, so it's I've had a lot hotter than this, and I don't really need anything to wash it down right now, but it's just for catering to different tastes, I suppose. So this is Mi Niña Agave, jalapeno agave. I think the jalapeno is a pepper. And here's what the back of the package looks like. And stone ground corn, 100% de maíz, that means corn. And a little heat and a little sweet, which really sounds cool. Naturally gluten-free, no preservatives, so there's a lot of good things about this going on. And I think that little business right there, is that a GMO sticker right there?
Whole grain, 100%
Whole grain, so that's another thing. So both these products together are just one singly. The Guy Fieri original salsa or the jalapeno agave tortilla style chips. So there it is. Another kind of a little heat and a little sweet snack from the comments from Do-It-Yourself Deal. Adios.